Hello friends, welcome in this sketchware tutorial. In this tutorial I am going to show you that how can you make your how can you make an app by in which you can use both portrait and landscape, and you can also uh, make your keyboard setting if it is hidden or it is showed or it is unspecified. So at first I'm making an app demo. So friends, now I'm creating the app. Okay, here is the app. Now at first I am giving a linear H, then a scroll V, giving height width match parent, and then another linear V, giving its width match parent. Now I'm setting some buttons, button, checkbox, list view, spinner, checkbox, image, button, image. So lots of things I can give here. Okay, I think it is okay. Now what we have to do is to now go to tap on this option, then go to view, manage your multiple screens, tap here. Okay, now here you see screen orientation. If you want the screen only portrait, it will be only portrait. If you want only landscape, tap here, and if you want both, you can tap here. And your keyboard setting, if you tap visible, the keyboard will always visible. If it is hidden, the keyboard will never seen. And if it's unspecified, the keyboard may open different times. So the ideology is you can give it unspecified. And if you want a drawer, you can tap here. If you want a fab, you also can tap here. Fab means a plus button like this. So okay, I have done everything. Now I'm gonna run this app and show you how the app works. Just wait a while till the app is being run successfully. Here you see the app was run successfully. Now the app is being installed. Okay, now I'm opening the app. Here you see, here is the app view. Now I can make it landscape. Here you see the app is landscape. Now I can also make keyboard settings, but I have set no text view or edit text here. I could show you if I would have set. So thank you for watching this tutorial. You can subscribe this channel if you like this video. Please like it, and please share these videos more and more. Thank you.